Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we're outside testing the DJI Ronin-SC Pro Combo, and we have it right here connected up with the Sony 6400 camera and giving it a good test. So we'll see in a minute. Yeah, so I've been meaning to get one of these stabilizers or gimbals for a while, and there are tons and tons available on the market, but I couldn't really find one which has all the features I need, you know, the active track as well as the force mobile and things like that. And this one from DJI has it all. So basically I can do different tracking modes from one position set point to another set point, and it does panning as well as time lapse and a ton of other features, and it's all controlled by the DJ app on the mobile, and you can actually control everything via the mobile as well. So the apps is great, and I'm able to do time lapse as well as set all of the different features on the stabilizer. So as you can see, it's very smooth and it follows me, active track as well. So if I flip the switch around on the gimbal, it rotates, and you can see then very nice, very smooth. Outside, you can see all the views. I'm actually walking around with a little bit of a jetta. So yeah, it eliminates all the jitter as well, so very smooth. I'm walking around and I flip the switch around and it goes back to focus on me. So this is something that the other gimbals don't have. I can just flip the switch around and it goes right outside 180 degrees to reverse, and if I wanted to do a vlog like this, I can flip it around like this and then flip it around again to go to the other mode. Amazing. The Pro Combo has a feature which is the focus wheel, and I've actually bought that version. I showed you earlier in the clip that there's a rotator kind of knob which actually controls the focus ring on your lens, and it's something you could add later on if you just want to buy the Ronin-SC without the focus wheel, but I got the whole package. That allows me then to do some more creative filming if I need to. So if you're a filmmaker or a YouTuber, then this is something that you probably want to use. I like it, so well done, DJI. Alright, so we have all the parts laid out from the DJI Ronin-SC Pro Combo, and we're going to attempt to mount all these parts onto our camera. This is the Sony 6400 camera, and we're going to be mounting this onto the stabilizer. Give you an idea. And this is what it will look like, and the camera going back and forth like this. Okay, hold it vertically like that. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is to get the balancing right. So we need to do is lock the one of the axes in place, and also here, so that we just have this tilt here. So you can see the balance, make sure the balance is right. We can adjust the balance by moving the level here, and as you can see, I moved it a little bit and it's balanced off. So we are moving around based on the weight of the camera, and I think that's about right there. And we do this for all of the 3 axes. Other features include the Active Track Pro, the Force Mobile, which showed you earlier, as well as the virtual joystick, and you also get the panorama, time lapse, and the track as well. So time lapse is what I'm interested in as well. It's something that I usually film with my other cameras, and with this Ronin-SC gimbal and stabilizer, it should give me some perfect shots.